I know, it's like right there. You guys.
Josh, just right here, Josh. Good shot, Josh. Way, looking up.
Thank you, brother.
And looking. Thank you, guys.
Josh, can we do one more by yourself? Yeah, we need some singles.
It's almost like a tropical tree.
You used to do the same thing for a living.
I did.
I remember you.
Really?
So what's it like having someone walk up to you with a camera, put it in your face, and ask you silly questions?
Are you okay with this? Are you okay?
Yeah, we're good.
Hey, yeah.
I respect the hustle, man. It's all good.
You respect the hustle,
I do.
but now you're a big giant movie star, so you don't care about the little guys like us anymore, right?
I'll answer whatever question you want.
Yeah, you never knew me, but I remember you. Yeah. But anyways, man, how was the movie? Like, what was the audience reaction?
It was good. We got a lot of laughs. Johnny Knoxville doing stunts is always going to get laughs, right?
Right. Was there like pranks and all that kind of stuff? Because you're in the movie, right? I haven't got to see it yet, obviously.
Yeah. No, I got to do the movie. It was fun.
And were you guys doing like pranks on set and all that funny jackass kind of stuff?
Yeah, it was a lot of like hitting each other in the balls kind of stuff.
Okay. Well, I say quit the movies and come back to this side of it, man.
I had fun doing it, man. I got to meet some really cool people. I hope you get to meet Johnny or somebody cool.
Oh, yeah. I know Johnny a little bit. You're a legend in your own way, man.
Oh,
it's
what's
good
your
to
name?
see you. I'm Will.
Nice to meet you.
All right, bro.
Sorry we didn't know each other back then.
Yeah, I knew you from afar. I admired you.
Oh,
all right, bro.
Look at me. And we got it. Johnny, this way, guys. Hey, guys.